Leo, 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 Leo. We're empowered, we're confused, we're fatigued, we're energized, we're feeling exuberantly pandemonious and very isolated all at the same time. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Watch the intro, we'll talk about it. I'm ridiculous in the intro. Oh, yes, full moon in the Leo, and boom, you're welcome. We're wearing them because it feels correct. Here we are at the Open Jar Studios. We are listening to our Uranus and our Mars because they are trying to change everything. So lean into that right now. Lean into the change, surrender to it, allow it to happen. There's a reason why it will always work out. Okay, here's what's happening. Almost pulled out my fringe. Leo moon, Aquarius sun, directly opposite each other. Leo moon is at 9, Aquarius sun is at 9, right next to Jupiter, also at 9. This is huge. This is like a choir. This is like a big, big, big choir of angels saying, Leo sun, this is what inspires you. Deep, 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 deep down into your subconscious, this is what is part of your being, part of what makes you so uniquely beautiful, part of what connects you to spirit. Jupiter above, next to the Aquarius, says we are expanding your possibility with the collective. So what this choir is saying, this is your gift to the collective. Oh, yeah, I know. It's a great time. The other heavy hitters of this moment are Venus and Pluto. The reason why I'm wearing this today is because I looked at this chart and I was gooped and gagged by the Venus-Pluto, both at 25 degrees right next to each other. That was the very first thing that my mind went to. And when I often think of Pluto as like the Persephone journey, and Venus is obviously a huge player in that, obvi. Venus being values, love, tangibility, sex, coin, the actual dollar. Pluto being divine transformation, surrender, explosion. How can you surrender to transforming your values? How can you surrender to being grounded within what you're gonna bring for spring? How can you surrender to the journey? So, that is what we are going... Come on now. That is what we are going to talk to the cards about today. We're going to ask, what can I, Persephone journey down, with the concrete specificity of finding my unique inspiration for the collective. Casual, right? Okay. Enjoy. Okay. Okay, so, heart of the matter, the Tower card upside down. Ace of Cups, Father of Wands upside down, 3 of Cups upside down, and then the top of the deck, the Moon. Okay? Leo, you are, if you're watching this as your sun sign in Leo, this means that your core is illuminating what you need to consciously focus on. You need to consciously focus on internally changing your internal stability, changing your emotional realm, your moon realm. There is when you will find your creativity. There is when you will be the master of your creativity. This is the creative force that you are sitting on that says, I have the potential of a wildfire raging within me. In your case, the energy that you're feeling is the potential of the external and internal sun radiating from within you. You have the power of the sun. Hello, can your measly body handle that? What is that energy? How are you filtering this energy? How are you working through this energy, focusing the energy? Look at these lightning bolts. Hello, change, creativity, change, creativity, change, creativity, creativity, change, creativity, change, creativity, change. Friends, again, upside down. Your good Judies love you. Your good Judies love you so hard. Your good Judies care about you so much. This is the part where the clock into. I heard this the other day on something I was listening to. Clock what your hero's journey is. Where are you in the dialogue of the hero's journey? Have you started yet? Are you with your friends traversing? Has your mentor died? Have you figured out what you possess that is part of #winning? Have you won? Are you traveling back home to tell your story? Where are you in your journey? How have you changed within your journey? Between the moon and the sun and Jupiter and Uranus, you are like, oh, oh. Who, what, where, when, and why? Did I say that right? Do your due diligence of telling your story, of reflecting on your story, of having a moment with your femininity, having a moment with your opposite. If your Leo is in your sun sign and you're watching this, then clock into what your moon sign is. Go watch that video. Allow yourself to do something differently. Change. Change. Lean into change. Lean into Uranus. Do something that you've never done before. You are safe, you are empowered, you are healthy, you are correct. You can do it now. Before, maybe not, but you can do it now. I love you. Happy full moon. Ooh, we did it. We just did 4 hours of filming. Thank you for that energy. Thank you for watching the vid. So here's what's happening. I was talking about this in the Pisces video. That thing that you've been sitting on, that thing that you've been worried about putting out there, that thing that you've been like, that was downloaded, that you're like, oh, I'm gonna do that. Stop talking about it and do it. It's time. Make the announcement, call the person, send the email, do it. Utilize the change. Utilize the Mars Uranian change for positivity. Don't fight it. Yesterday, I did it. I've been talking about these things for so long, and I just like sat down and did it. And I almost threw up after I did it. I started a fan, I guess it's a fan page on Facebook, on Facebook, Paul Flanagan, at Sensible Paul. All of my readings and stuff are going to go there. You obviously are there because that's how you saw this. I'm starting a Patreon. So if you want exclusive content, I've been filming some exclusive stuff and recording some exclusive meditative bike rides. Exclusive meditative bike rides. I've been recording some bike rides and that content will be on the Patreon. So follow me there. I'm gonna do one tier to start and then we're gonna grow. So hashtag Forgle, but go over to the Patreon at Sensible Paul. And then, the one that I almost threw up about, I am starting an OnlyFans. This is going to be a spiritual-based OnlyFans. DM me if you want more details on that. It's time. Here's the big opportunity here. With the inspiration center of the Leo moon, we have an opportunity to clock into what our personal mission statement is. I realized recently that my personal mission statement is to be an advocate for holistic authenticity. Yep. That means that I am advocating for all of it. So, moving forward, that's what we are going to do. Last Saturday, we had the workshop, Process Manifest Workshop. I'm doing it again on the 30th. If you would like to attend the workshop, DM me. I have an artist discount. I'll tell you all about it. It was so profoundly beautiful. I'm so thankful to all who attended. Please join me. We talk about all the things. I have some videos down below in my feeds. So, you are loved. You are beautiful. You are not alone. You are seen. I am here for you. Let me know if you want to come to the workshop. If you want help figuring out what your mission statement is, the workshop would be perfect for you. Don't let money stop you. Okay? We'll figure it out. These are hard times, but not that hard. Bye.